Regardless of whether the upcoming Galaxy S24 flagship phones will once again use a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos chipsets, the silicons will be brand new and should outperform the solution employed by the Galaxy S23, like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. And the closer we get to 2024, the more bits of information about these future chips emerge. A new rumor claims to have uncovered more details about Qualcomm's future chip, which is expected to bear the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 moniker. The chip will supposedly have a 1 plus 5 plus 2 CPU core configuration rather than the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 core setup rumored earlier this year. The source Ice Universe doesn't mention which CPU cores the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 uses. Information about CPU frequencies is unknown. For reference, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has a 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 CPU configuration consisting of a mix of Cortex-X3, Cortex-A715, Cortex-A710, and Cortex at 510 cores. While the existing Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has 8 megabytes of L3 cache, the upcoming Gen 3 solution is now rumored to boast 10 megabytes of L3 cache. L3 cache is a memory bank embedded into the CPU. It's a bit of specialized memory whose purpose is to feed the L2 cache and help the CPU make fewer calls to the RAM for data, thus speeding up processes and improving performance. Finally, according to this new rumor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC incorporates an Adreno 750 graphics chip, whose performance is said to have greatly improved from the existing Adreno 740 solution. All in all, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 could be just as efficient as the Gen 2 SoC while improving performance across the board. Samsung may unveil the Galaxy S24 flagship series in early 2024. However, given that the company may host its next Unpacked 2023 event earlier than usual, it might be too early to predict Samsung's launch plans for the Galaxy S24 next year. In any case, most markets should get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 variants, but rumors say the company will also release models powered by a new Exynos 2400 chipset in select regions. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.